Hello, I'm here for another unboxing from Thompson, and today I have the INNX Carabiner hooks. This is what they look like, and there are 6 of them in there. These can be used with the dog barriers for your cars to help hold them in place. All the information for where I got these will be listed down below. Please like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, tick the notification bell, and you'll know when I post a new video. If you have any questions, leave them comment in the video down below the video, or you can comment to any of my social media links or my email addresses. And have a good day.